On tonight's episode, we've got some sweet beach bashing.
And we also talk about the brand new TRX4. Stay tuned.
Welcome.
Oh, decent. We got this unlocked. You have 78 episodes of practice.
Yes.
He's Chris.
And he's Aaron.
So tonight we're going to talk about a whole bunch of cool stuff.
Yeah.
So we just got the brand new TRX4 G500,
Yep.
the Mercedes-Benz.
Yep.
We unboxed that. We also have a bunch of bashing pictures and videos from Chris, Dalton, and Jaden.
And Jaden, yeah.
So thank you guys.
Jaden brought out his drone. That was awesome. Thank you, Jaden. We got some sweet footage for that.
Yeah, and Chris also has a little bit of a project. So I guess we can get right into it. Let's show some footage of bashing. And then we'll do the unboxing and then show more footage of bashing.
Yeah.
And I think that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's some footage of some bashing.
We're here.
New TRX4 with the Mercedes-Benz G500 body.
500. 4x4. 2.
Squared. 4x4.
It's an 8x8.
Yeah, I don't get it. But so something different with this is now they're going to have a 2.2 wheel tire option instead of the 1.9s,
yes,
which has been pretty much factory on all the TRX4s other than the Adventure Edition that obviously
black
came
diff covers too
with Traxxas. So we're pretty excited to open it up. So let's unbox it. So you will need a battery and charger to complete this kit, just like every other TRX4.
Guys, got a question. Do you like color red?
Is it red?
Oh, buddy.
Is it actually red?
Oh, buddy. Buddy, it's red. Are you ready to see it? Oh!
That's different.
All my opinions changed once I saw it was red and not blue.
So it's different.
Let's take a look at this bad boy.
It's not even a metallic red either, though. It's like TRX. Well, it's darker than TRX4 Sport red. Different. Different. Very different.
Oh, I like the red though. It's like a deep red.
It is a deep red.
Yeah.
It's like almost. It's almost getting to like the maroon, but it's not. Huh. Very interesting. So this is the brand spanking new first delivery version for North America.
Yep.
This was actually available in the United Kingdom and Europe for a while, and it came in black, gunmetal, and I think like a fluorescent yellow.
Yes, I believe so.
It was available in a couple different options. There is some stickers. Good eye on that, Chris. I didn't even notice the stickers.
Little fender flare stickers.
Yeah, they're like carbon fiber fender flare stickers. So if you do want to add a little bit of more pizzazz to it instead of just straight up flat out red,
So we got
you totally can.
Side exit exhaust on this guy now.
New side skirts too. New
a little bit thicker
boards.
side skirt.
Yeah, running boards. Are
black diff covers now instead of like the silver or gray.
Yeah, I really do like these
2.2 wheels and tires. Now this is a completely different tread pattern that from Traxxas 19 Canyon.
Yep.
So it's pretty interesting that we see that, eh?
Very cool. And it looks like there is going to be a light kit available for it. So it looks like these are going to be your side markers. These are going to be your headlights. I wonder if there's going to be something down there maybe. And there also is lights up in the roof rack on both sides. So pretty cool. Standard electronics, though, we're still going to get the Metal Gear 2075X.
Yep.
We're still going to get the Titan 21-turn reverse motor, XL5 HV, and your standard 2065 servos for your shifting and your diff locks. Looks like they're coming with the narrow 8080s. So this is part number TRA8080 for the narrow inner fenders, but it comes with the same sort of chassis that the Bronco or the Blazer's on.
It's got that Mercedes class, eh? And this chrome side rails.
They kind of just pizzazzed it up a little bit. I mean, there's a ton of extra trim.
Like, look at this too. Like, this is pretty neat. The body molding goes around right here.
Yeah, extra trim.
Yeah,
that isn't cool. Normally on all your TRX4s. So that's kind of cool. A little bit of a different mirror system too. And this is going to be able to do tail lights.
It's got a spoiler on the roof.
I like it. And even like a little windshield wiper. I think it looks a lot better.
The pictures don't do it justice. Like, in the picture, it doesn't look near as nice compared to when you actually look at it and the vehicle.
I like the new front bumper too. You didn't really mention that. The new front bumper is quite nice. So it actually has like a chrome bottom plate to it. Oh, actually, it's a steel bottom plate and it screws on. That is super neat.
Is it, or is it plastic?
No, it looks steel. No, plastic.
Plastic.
Right. It looks steel though. I mean, that's a bonus.
That's a steal of a deal.
I see what you did there. And you're going to get your standard remote with this. So like I said, you are going to require a battery and a charger to complete it. But other than that, brand new TRX4, G500 Mercedes-Benz. You've seen it here first, folks. Chrissy.
Man, that was unboxed.
Yeah, as you can probably see, it was unboxed. Good call, Chris. But I mean, the big thing to always mention with this is new 2.2 wheels, 2.2 tires, and a whole bunch of extra scales.
You know what I'm interested in? How do you get that wheel off?
So the Mercedes emblem pops out.
Really?
Yeah. This just pressed in there. No, the inside.
Oh, there's a little tab, I see. You gotta put your screwdriver in there, folks.
Yeah.
That is clean.
Yeah, I mean, they go pretty in depth.
Yeah.
So, yeah. But that is the new G500. Like I said, this is a first delivery truck, and it will not be available, I think, till sometime in September. They are available in this red color, and there also is like a blue that the TRX4 Sport Adventure came in. So, kind of neat, something different. So, thank you, Traxxas, for that. And, yeah, let's show you some more bashing footage.
was also good bashing. I got wet. I went swimming.
That was deep.
UDR went straight into the water.
That was deep.
It still drove afterwards and everything. But my servo finally decided after that run to kick the bucket. I powered it up last night and it moves like barely either direction. I'm like, oh yeah, that motor's kind of.
I think it's kind of hooped.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of.
Good old Protec. Can I have warranty on that?
I feel like a non-waterproof servo that we try to.
Only went in a little bit of water.
I don't believe you.
Bodies of water.
Oh, okay, there we go. I get it.
So I made a little trade the other day. I traded the good old Turd Arrow and one of my Tamiyas for this bad boy. So I'm pretty excited about this. I've always wanted an E-Revo.
I'm kind of disappointed. I'm gonna miss the Turd Arrow.
It was a cool truck.
I'm not gonna lie, I might have to buy an Element RC now.
It was a cool truck. Yeah, but I think it was the portals that made it really awesome.
Probably right. Yeah. Probably right.
Or the fact that I built it. Whatever, either or.
Either either. Yeah, whatever.
But yeah, this guy brushed this E-Revo 2.0. It's pretty stock. But I'm putting this bad boy in there. So we'll see.
That is a fifth scale motor.
That is the XO1 motor. So we'll see what happens with that in the future. So stay tuned.
But that is the end. Episode 78, Ultra C Hobbies Show.
Yes.
We really do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching every week. But before we get going here too far and end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Don't forget to follow him on Instagram, Facebook, as well as YouTube,
yes.
RC Deebs. Don't forget to hit the store up at www.ultrarchobbies.com. Don't forget to hit us up on all of our social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Snapchat, all under our Ultra RC Hobbies. So don't forget to check us out there. But thank you again for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.
Bye.